Make sure you stand till the end, guys. We'll share common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in damages. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Escape, this generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the stop brake lights fuse is located, which fuse controls the stop brake lights, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. And what's important, guys, to always test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have that generation Ford Escape from year 2013 to 2019, this specifically is pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version. There will be some minor differences, we'll talk about that, but we'll make a video about every single possible fuse, relay, why we do that. Let's say, guys, you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where the fuse for fuel pump or engine starter is located, or relay for radiator fan. You can just search that on our channel, watch the video for less than 1 or 2 minutes, find out where it is, replace it in your back on the road. We do that to save you money, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And we guys have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels as well that can save you more than thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. The stop brake lights fuse, where you can expect to find it, guys. We will demonstrate on this generation Ford Escape right here. This is the pre-facelifted version, this is the facelifted version, but it should work on both. You have up to 3 different fuse boxes. Today we work in just one. That's right under the hood. Open the hood, facing the engine on the right side here. You have a fuse box under this cover. Open it and you will find the main engine fuse box with a layout that will look just like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here specifically for the stop brake lights, which fuse we'll need to check. If you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, really good price, quick shipping, we'll put, guys, a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money. So looking at that fuse box, this is the front of your Ford Escape, this is the windshield side, passenger side, driver side. If we zoom in here and we come in that section, guys, the fuse that we're looking for, the stop brake lights, okay, fuse specifically is known as fuse number 21. We're talking about that fuse right here that controls the stop brake light switch, which controls the stop brake lights as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time.